Good morning. This is glorious San Anton. First thing in the morning. Such a beautiful place, and everyone is up, and we're just about to have breakfast, and then we'll be setting off for what looks like another fantastic day. I look forward to seeing you on the road. Yesterday and today we've been walking through a long valley, and over there is the path we are taking this morning up the hill back onto the Alto. And if you've seen the film The Way My Way, this is one of the places that features in that. More later. When the Monty Python team asked that timeless question, what did the Romans ever do for us? They possibly had this sort of thing in mind. You can see this sort of shaggy line. This shaggy line going along there. Sorry, every time I put my finger in it focuses on that. There's a bit of a line, diagonal line, and that is actually a Roman causeway. Built 2,000 years ago, still in operation today. So now you know the answer. This, folks, is where we will be walking into the distance, way over here, over the next few days. About an hour and a half to our next destination. Thankfully, on flat roads, after we go down this nice steep one.